Now, this is what we call naman a name drop. Would you think of any name na pwede natin gamitin for if we were to put up a confidential fund? Like ako, I have, like halimbawa ako, pwede akong mag-isip ng kailangan kong, Alan Peter De La Rosa. Ganyan. Do you have any name in mind that they could use that would be more,
Gusto ko pa rin, sa Office of the Vice President, pwede bang hiramin yung ang dilim? Kasi talagang nag-click yung ang dilim.
Ang dilim.
Pahiram na lang, magbabayad ako ng copyright.
Okay lang. Ito na, ending segment, meron tayong dugtungan dito, attorney. Meron na. Completeness and dugtungan. Justice is...
Justice is... Justice ba is, or justice sa bayan natin ay justice.
Justice na lang muna tayo, no?
Justice na lang muna tayo.
Oo, yun na lang. Until we get that proper justice and the
Yes.
real justice.
Let's clean up the whole system.
Let's go. And well, we have 2028 for that. Ngayon pa lang, so justice muna tayo until we get to 2028, di ba?